National Under-15 table tennis champion Tsenaye Lewis won her first international title recently at the Carmel Barrow Open Tournament at the Broward Table Tennis Club in Florida. More in this report.
Tsenaye Lewis competed in 7 categories, emerging first place in 2 categories and a third place in 2. Battling through 29 matches, she earned 22 wins against 20 male and 2 female players who hold USA Table Tennis USA TT ratings ranging from 679 up to 2,477. Tsenaye placed first in the under 1150, beating 954 rated Damian Casanova in 3 straight sets, 11-8, 11-8, 11-8. She also placed first in the under 1350, beating another rated competitor, Jose Renato Gonzalez, 11-8, 11-8, 8-11, 11-8. She snagged a third place in the under 1800, losing to the rated Angel Luis Nunez, then another third in the under 1550, going down to Ephraim Perez in the semifinals. Prior to entry, she did not have a USA TT rating, but this performance will get her on that scale.
I believe I represented myself very well at this tournament. I played a variety of players ranging from females my age to grown men who I don't usually play, so I believe this was a good opportunity for me to practice my skill and develop my game against a range of players. I want to thank my coach, Sir Dale Parham, for his training and support, as well as Simon Tomlinson, who was there helping me throughout the tournament.
Lewis's coach of 7 years, Dale Parham, says he was proud of her mental adjustment during her matches, and with more international exposure, she has the potential to go far.
Here in Jamaica, females aren't used to playing against males, and at the Broward Open International Tournament, it's a unisex event, and she played mostly against men, and I was extremely impressed with the adjustment that she made during her matches. I'm really looking forward to 2022.
Runner-up in the women's singles at the National Table Tennis Tournament earlier this year, Lewis is ranked 296 at the cadet level by the International Table Tennis Federation. The 2018 R.J. Arglina Female Athlete of the Year for Table Tennis is ranked 3rd in singles and mixed doubles at the cadet level regionally. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.